Hello everyone, in this video we will find out how this magnifying lens projector works. To make this projector, we just need a cotton box, magnifying lens and a tape to stick. Make a hole on the box according to the size of the lens and then stick the magnifying lens as shown. Place your mobile phone inside the box. Close the box for better results. Turn off all the lights. Our projector is ready. The clarity of the video was much better than the recorded one. The clarity depends upon the magnifying lens we used. This DIY magnifying lens projector is super cool and kids will enjoy this thoroughly. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.